If you have been interested for a long time to get into blockchain, specifically into the Ethereum network, then there is one single resource that I would recommend, and that is the ethereum.org website. It has all of the details or resources that you might need to be a user or a developer on the Ethereum network. So without further ado, let's see all of the sessions that the ethereum.org provides. Forgot to do the invitation by, as you can see here, we have the ethereum.org website, and it lists all of the details that you might need as a beginner when it comes to the user perspective, and it suggests here a lot of resources such as what kind of wallets you would use when you get started, where would you get some ETH for the first time in your wallet, and I bet there is like a lot of resources, but yeah. And then you might research some of the decentralized apps that you can use on the way, but there's also the building session where I am very excited to talk about